Hi everyone, welcome to Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. I am Amber, and today I will be sharing my studio space with you all. It is a pretty small space, and it used to be the master bedroom for the previous owners of the house. And the owners who we bought the house from actually created a new master bedroom above the garage. So it left this middle room as an empty space. And my husband thought, why not turn this into your art space? Even though it is small, I think I have managed to organize it really well to where I can at least find everything. At least I can. But I found a lot of inspiration from Tara Lombardi from Pieces of Tara Artistry. I will link her channel in the description box. And you should definitely go check her studio space out as well because it is very organized. Another artist whose studio space I really like and I like how it's organized is Lori Houston from Lori Houston Art. And I will link her channel in the description box as well. So let's go take a look around. Okay, everyone, here is my main art space where I do all my work. This is my table. It's just a regular table I got from Walmart. It's a folding table. I do take this to arts and crafts shows if I'm doing them. And here are my studio lights that I use. I got these from Amazon. I got a great deal, a 2-for-1 deal with all materials included. Behind the table are my canvases. I really didn't have a space for them, so I just leaned them against the wall, and they are kind of out of my way, which is good. The red table is my drying table. As you see, there's a lot of projects I need to resin, sand or resin again, that are drying on there, and just some pending stuff. But yeah, this is the main area where I do all my work. Okay, when you walk into the left side, here is a wall where I put some of my artwork. Here is my chaos Dutch pour that I did with a mandala stencil. I just thought the room needed some color. And of course, this little piggy bag that I got from Fluid Art Co. I just thought it would look nice in the room. And then here is a really cool cabinet slash shelf that my husband found at one of the offices that were moving from his office building. And it's nice because it's you can put magnets on it. So I decided to put some of my kids' artwork as well as some pictures of my kids on here. There's my son and my daughter. But this gives me extra storage here. I do need to organize this more, and it has a lock, which is good for my kids. So I keep some paints in here, empty bottles, just, extra stuff. There's some alcohol ink in there, as well as my Krylon spray and glaze spray. And here is some extra storage where I have my painter's tape, containers for mixing, some notebooks with notes in them. And there you have this extra shelving unit that I have. Here is one of my first shelves that I bought from Amazon. And I have all my pre-mixed paints and pigments on here. It's great. It's at a good height so my kids won't reach the paints and pigments and, open them. But yeah, this was my first ever purchase for my art studio, and it's another great unit to store stuff on. So guys, here is some more storage options. My mom donated the shelf to me, and it works great because I have all my golden products on here, my Floetrol, my Pearl Cell pour products, of course my Shelee Bloom products, as well as my Mixed Media Girl resin. So this is a great shelf, and it doesn't take up too much space. Right next to it are my acrylic paints, and I was inspired, like I mentioned before, by Tara Lombardi. She actually has these shelves in her studio, and I got these from Hobby Lobby. I have my paints organized by quality. So of course golden is one, and then there's Amsterdam, and here are my piggy pigments. I got this really cool shelf from Etsy, and I will link the store that I got it from because they just look really nice on this. And then of course more Amsterdam paint and some Pebeo and Liquitex. I have more paint coming in for Amsterdam, the big bottle, so I will definitely need more shelves. But here it is, right here. Um, I have it pretty organized. I have it organized by color, by the color wheel. So yeah, there you have it. Well, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of my small art space. It works out great for me, and I love being in here. I do wish it had more windows, but I just open up my bedroom door. And then I also like it because it is right next door to my kids' bedroom. So if they are napping or something, I can hear them right away. But I do like the space, and it has grown on me. And hopefully you guys gain some tips and tricks for organization. Don't forget to check out Tara Lombardi's channel, Pieces of Tara Artistry, and Lori Houston's channel. I will have them linked below in the description box. Please like, subscribe, and share to my channel, or leave a comment if you would like to know any other information. I would greatly appreciate it and will be happy to answer any of your questions. Well, until next time, stay awfully awesome, y'all.